This is the Volkswagen e-Golf, and if you have issues with the air conditioner not working, most likely the problem is not with the fuses and relays, most likely. This car doesn't use a conventional AC compressor, it has electric AC compressor, HVAC module thing, it's pretty complicated. And the problem is that in that complicated HVAC system, it has a complicated software and sometimes it glitches. So one of the most common issues with these vehicles when the AC doesn't work or heat doesn't work, it's HVAC software that requires update, reset or whatever. And you may do this in the dealership or in any independent shop that works with e-Golf models. Also, before you do that, it makes sense to check the pressure of the refrigerant, because sometimes it's just as simple as that, the lack of refrigerant and the AC doesn't work. But before you do that, there's actually a fuse and a relay in this box here, which is pretty interesting and not usual for vehicles of this age and the generation. So the fuse for the AC relay that controls the power for the AC relay is this one, and the AC relay is this one. So you may replace the AC relay, you may replace the fuse. It will cost you a couple of dollars or euros or pounds, and you may actually fix this issue if the problem is with this control system, this relay and the fuse. But this is not very likely. The problem is most likely somewhere in the HVAC system, and you will need to diagnose the car properly and then probably update the software to fix the issue.